Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best rim cleaner is probably one of the most underappreciated cleaning tools in your bathroom arsenal. We're diving deep into the world of toilet rim cleaners today, exploring what makes them effective, how they stack up against the competition, and ultimately, which one deserves a spot in your cleaning routine. Get ready to say goodbye to grime and hello to a sparkling clean toilet bowl, because we're about to uncover the secrets to a truly fresh bathroom. Number 5. Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Brush Toilet Wand Starter Kit. This kit includes everything you need for a sparkling clean toilet. It comes with a 19-inch wand, a stand for storage, and 4 refill pads. The Fresh Brush uses exclusive technology to remove tough stains. It provides a convenient and thorough clean for your toilet bowl. The flushable pads make cleaning easy and hygienic. After use, you can simply flush the dirty brush away without any mess. This toilet cleaning system is designed for all toilets. It's the only flushable system that is not messy and easy to store. Scrubbing Bubbles offers a variety of bathroom cleaning solutions. Check out the wide range of products for a complete clean. What we like. This toilet bowl cleaning kit offers flushable refill pads, making cleaning a breeze. It removes stains effectively and is easy to store. If you are looking for a convenient and hygienic cleaning solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These clean well and all scents are pleasant, not too overwhelming. You can scrub around in your toilet with ease with the long applicator. It helps you when you have back problems not having to bend over to clean the toilet. They work well, are flushable, and easy to use. Number 4. Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner Gel, Forest Rain Scent. Tired of stubborn stains? This cleaner powers through tough stains and toilet bowl rings in seconds. It leaves your toilet bowl sparkling clean, and the angled bottle makes it easy to reach tricky areas. This thick clinging gel coats the entire bowl and rim. It powers through the toughest toilet stains and bowl rings. This formula leaves your toilet clean and sanitized. This cleaner eliminates odor-causing bacteria. It leaves your entire toilet deodorized and smelling fresh. The Forest Rain scent provides a pleasant and lasting fragrance. Looking for other great disinfectant products? Consider this brand's disinfecting wipes, disinfectant sprays, and all-purpose cleaners. They are all designed to keep your home clean and healthy. This product is designed for cleaning and disinfecting. It is a powerful tool to keep your toilet clean and free of germs. Try it today for a fresh and sanitized bathroom. What we like. This cleaner powers through tough stains and leaves your toilet sparkling clean. The germ-killing formula sanitizes, and the long-lasting fragrance eliminates odors. If you are looking for a cleaner that disinfects and leaves your bathroom smelling fresh, you should consider it. What people say. The thick gel formula clings perfectly to the sides of the bowl, even under the rim, ensuring the disinfecting power gets exactly where it needs to be. It removes stains and grime with almost no effort. Just apply it, let it sit a bit, and scrub. It does the job fast and effectively. The design of the bottle makes it easy to apply to the surface of the toilet bowl. The cleaner clings nicely to the bowl. I let it sit a bit and then a quick brushing with the toilet brush leaves the bowl shiny clean and with a pleasant scent. Number 3. Powerstone Pumice Toilet Bowl Cleaner, 1 pack. Introducing the Powerstone Pumice, a superior toilet cleaner for your home. This tool is tough on hard water stains and mineral deposits, yet gentle on surfaces, ensuring a fresh and spotless toilet. This kit includes the pumice stone and a practical storage solution. It's designed to outperform traditional toilet brushes, providing superior cleanliness and efficiency for your convenience. This pumice stone redefines cleanliness. It effortlessly removes stubborn marks and grime. Unlike ordinary brushes, it leaves no residue, guaranteeing a spotless and shiny toilet bowl every time. For busy households, this is the perfect cleaning solution. It comes with a handle for easy stain removal. Its efficient design makes cleaning simple and quick. This versatile tool is excellent for removing stubborn stains on toilets, sinks, tiles, and more. Its design makes cleaning easy and effective, leaving a spotless finish wherever it's used. What we like. This pumice stone is tough on hard water stains but gentle on surfaces. It's a versatile tool for cleaning toilets, sinks, and more. If you have stubborn stains and are looking for a chemical-free cleaning solution, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This actually works with little to no effort. We have hard water and the toilets that we don't use as often always have this dark gross ring around the waterline. All I did was barely apply pressure, and rubbed it back and forth, and it came off almost immediately. Pictures from dirty toilet with stains to looking brand new. This tool works pretty good with little effort. The tool did not scratch the surface. Number 2. Vacplus T165 Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is the Vacplus T165, an automatic toilet bowl cleaner. It's designed to keep your toilet clean and fresh with minimal effort. The T165 effectively cleans the tank, water pipes, and other parts of your toilet. It helps maintain a clean and hygienic environment. Each tablet lasts up to 15 days, providing up to 6 months of cleaning with a 12-pack. The lifespan may vary depending on usage. Simply drop the tablet into your toilet tank without removing the protective film. Wait for the water to turn blue before flushing. When the blue color fades, it's time to replace the tablet. This product is a supplement to regular cleaning, not a replacement for the toilet brush. For best results, clean the toilet before the first use. The Vacplus T165 is convenient and easy to use, and it won't damage your toilet's internal components. It makes toilet cleaning simple. What we like. These tablets effectively clean your toilet tank and pipes, providing long-lasting freshness. They are also incredibly easy to use. If you are looking for a convenient way to maintain a clean toilet tank with minimal effort, you should consider this. What people say. They keep the toilets clean and are effective. Septic safe and have great cleaning power. Vacplus toilet bowl cleaner tablets keep things fresh and sparkling with every flush. Number 1. Lysol Automatic Toilet Cleaner, Lemon Breeze, 2-pack. Introducing the Lysol Automatic Toilet Cleaner. It cleans and freshens your toilet with every flush, making your life easier. This cleaner provides antimicrobial protection in the hook. It helps resist odor-causing bacteria, keeping your toilet fresh. Each Lysol cleaner lasts up to 8 weeks. It provides long-lasting freshness and cleanliness for your toilet. Enjoy the refreshing lemon breeze scent. It will leave your bathroom smelling clean and inviting. This product helps maintain a clean and fresh toilet. It is the perfect solution for keeping your toilet clean between deep cleans. What we like. This automatic cleaner cleans and freshens with every flush, providing antimicrobial protection. It offers up to 8 weeks of freshness. If you like a low-maintenance solution that keeps your toilet clean and fresh, you should consider it. What people say. Leaves the bowl clean and fresh smelling. Place it where the water can run over it after each flush and it leaves the bowl cleaner and the room smelling fresher. Last way longer than the advertised 4 weeks. I've found that for me they last about 8 weeks a bar. That said, I live with just one other person and we each have our own bathroom, so maybe it disintegrates faster in a high-traffic household. Very effective. I found that these clean way better than any of the other automatic toilet cleaners do. I've mainly experimented with cling gels and found them lacking, so I was really impressed by the effectiveness of these. I do a traditional toilet cleaning, with a brush and liquid toilet bowl cleaner, about once every 2 weeks, but honestly my toilet still looks great a week and a half after manual cleaning. I don't even think a touch-up cleaning is really required. It's just something that I like to do along with my regular bathroom cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.